Hey friends, in today's quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to sum a row in Apple numbers. It's fairly easy. Let me walk you through a couple of quick ways of doing this. So we've got this small spreadsheet with some salespeople, their numbers. As you can see, I've summed columns down here for January, February, March. Now this will show us a running total for a month, but I want to show the salespeople's running total, and I want to do it over here. So let me go ahead and put total in this box, and then I'm going to sum this row first. So I go ahead and select the cell that I want the sum to show up in. Once we have our box selected, what we can do is we can click the insert button at the top of your screen here, and then we're going to scroll down to formula. Now, the good news is we need the sum formula that usually shows up here in the top in the quick select options. So I'm just going to click on that. It's then going to intuitively fill in the formula it thinks you want. And as you can see, that's exactly what we want right there. So again, I really love that this software is pretty intuitive. Let's go ahead and double click on this. And this is going to show us what it added. So again, the formula here is the word sum, and then we need some brackets, and then you're going to have the cells that you want selected. In this case, it's B and line 2, which means this box right here. That's the first one, and then the last cell we want to add is D2, D, and then row 2. And again, this little colon here indicates we want everything in between to be added as well. So again, you can do this one cell at a time if you want, but this is this really nice shortcut. Put the first cell, colon, last cell. Now, sometimes it's not intuitive. Sometimes the software doesn't know what to put in there. So I'm going to go ahead and click delete on here, and I'm going to show you how to manually do this. I'm going to click the equals key. That's automatically going to bring up a function. You can come over here and you can search for your specific function. But now that we know it's sum, I'm just going to type in sum there. I'm going to type in a left parenthesis, and then I'm going to click and I'm going to drag all of the cells that I want entered. So I'm going to do this. As you can see, it automatically fills it in over there. Friends, we can even do this and select all sorts of additional cells if you want more than just that row. Let's go ahead and keep it just this row this time. And then I'm going to go ahead and end the function by using that right parentheses, hit the enter key, and there we go. So again, there is your formula. I hope that's helped, friends. Again, it's pretty simple once you know what to do. If this has helped, hit that thumbs up button and then subscribe because we have a ton of these Apple numbers tutorial videos coming out soon. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again on the next one.